Hi and happy Monday. My name is Maren Steiner and I live in Hermosa Beach, California, where it's a pretty fabulous Monday here. This is my sixth course with Doan or Doan. The previous ones being general chemistry 1 and 2, anatomy, physiology, and organic chemistry. I've had really great experiences thus far, though it's been a while since I've taken biology 1, so I confess to being pretty terrified to take this course. None of my other courses really, other than final exams, use proctored tests, so I'm a little bit anxious, but I will get through it. This past year has been a crazy one for me. I did a complete shift in my life, like many of you I'm sure have. I graduated with a degree in communications way back in 2004 and have been planning, building, and staffing medical centers for music festivals all over the world. I'm also still working as an emergency medical technician. This is a career that I thought could survive anything because really, why would people stop going to concerts? Well, here we are now. It's easier to laugh about it now as I've had a year to come to terms with everything. But I've been doing that for over a decade and becoming tired of all the travel and waking up and wondering what city I was in. I was also becoming a huge advocate for drug education after losing several young people to very avoidable drug overdoses. So back in 2019, I applied to an MPH program that has an emphasis in community health at Tulane University in New Orleans and was accepted. So as doing that in my third semester now, and also doing a do-it-yourself post-bac to knock out all of my science prerequisites that I've had to either take all over again or take for the first time, because I didn't take those long ago when I was accepted to college. So besides taking courses here, I've done UCSD Extension and my local community college. So far, microbiology has definitely been the favorite of the courses I've taken so far. I've obviously had a lot of free time on my hands. I decided last summer to go back and do those science prerequisites, and I'm now in the process of applying to physician assistant school. So now here I am getting ready to wrap up all these courses. I'm actually almost done applying, just rereading my personal statement for the 10,000th time and making changes. It's weird being an older student in some of these classes, but I'm so much better of a student now than I was originally in college. There's also so many amazing resources out there that didn't exist when I was going through university. During most of my classes, when I'm not able to understand something, I can hop on YouTube, type in the subject, and find literally hundreds of videos that will break it down with pictures and animation. So it's amazing, and I truly believe that between YouTube videos and the amount of time I have to devote to schoolwork right now, that it's really made me successful in the courses that I've taken thus far. While life hasn't been the most exciting for me, I did go get a dog back in October and named her Dr. Bailey, and we're just the best of friends. I had been contemplating getting a dog for a long time, and I'm so glad I waited until she came along because she's just the best. She graduated dog school despite getting a D in fetch. So looking forward to working with all of you this coming term. If anyone is doing a group me or anything, I would love to join. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.